Our group worked upon the problem unavailability of efficient resources and proper guidance for people with depression, leading to an increase of suicide rates in India. So, what exactly causes negligence of depression in people leading to suicides? That can be lack of knowledge and awareness about mental illnesses, efficiency of suicide and depression hotlines. Depressed people feel traumatized and don't want to relive that experience again by sharing it to someone else. And they also have a fear of rejection or the fear of being judged.
So here are some possible solutions we explored. First, possible increase in national and regional helpline services. Second, existence of various programs on mental health issues. Third, setting up of communities of doctors, NGOs, etc., which will require huge amount of institutional work. But as we went on searching for solutions, we knew that we required a revolutionary solution for this hugely neglected problem.
This is where Qbot steps in. Experts say that the best treatment for mental ailments is emotional support and talk therapy. Qbot will listen patiently to all the users' problems, interact with them, and provide them with support and understanding. This project has been created with the hope that it might save lives. Its specifications, it has emotional support and talk therapy using VUI. The quality of output is also maintained. The problems are handled by user-friendly interface ranging from character, web, VUI. It provides non-judgmental supports, which is the key in tackling people with vulnerability and emotional well-being. It also has 360-degree and 45-degree tilt.
This is the technical working of a product. This is how the computer inputs the data structure and provide the systematic output. First, the audio signal gets converted to text using the audio signal processor, which removes the wake word and send the data to the root. Further, the root takes audio input processor, convert the remaining audio to the string, which removes the personalized bit. Then further, the data is sent to AVS. The AVS take Alexa communication library, data sequence library, and expression agents, which creates a Turing loop and send the remaining data to the communities of psychologists, doctors, and health specialists, which further specifies the data and use natural language processing units and convert the signals to audio, which further get transmitted. This is how the cloud function of a product works. Problems we saw in implementing the solution. The technical problems for sorting the extension words using existing elements. Developing countries may not have financial threshold to afford this. Requirement for consensus with cloud data services like AWS and AWS. User may feel insecure to share the detailed information with this bot, which led to threat to privacy.